Once you have downloaded your My Peugeot app, you will be on to this page. You can pick the car that you have just bought, and this list gives you the ultra long list of every single Peugeot that is made. For this example, we will be using the Peugeot 3008. Just click on your car and you will be redirected to your configuration page. Please enter the registration number and the period of first registration. You will then have to choose the different engine types, either petrol, diesel, blue HDI or hybrid. You also have to choose the transmission at which your car is, being automatic, manual or electric, as well as the air conditioning. We then have to wait for the downloading to be processed, which should take about a minute and a half. Once this is downloaded, you will see that your car is covered in little blue dots. Clicking on each of these blue dots will provide you with information about each part of the car. For example, we press on the rightest side button on the door and it will show you the dimensions and the identification markings. We'll now press on the key and it will show us the remote control key, the keyless entry, and now onto the bonnet. You will see the workings of the bonnet, the checking levels, the checks. If we press on the bonnet, we will see all the different features, the start-stop button, the opening of the fuel gauge, the engine compartments, absolutely everything that you need to know. Pressing on the scan on the bottom left will open up your camera where you can physically walk around the car. Hovering over certain points of the car and pressing on the icon that comes up will show you the different workings and some more information about the car. Pressing on the main screen, it will show you the heating and the ventilation. This feature is perfect for finding out which individual part of the car does what. This also works on the outside of the car as well. We will go towards the wheels. All you have to do is hover over it and the wheel icon pops up. You press it and you have the wheels, the tyres, the inflation detection and the snow stuff. Moving around the back, again we have the wheels, we have the boot option. Press on that and you will see the hands-free tailgate, the boot fittings and the toolkit, which is just every single little bit of information that you might need to know. You can also see the indicators and the warning lamps on the bottom right. This will show you every single icon that will pop up on your Peugeot 3DI display. Just have a little scroll through, and if there are any that you don't know what to do, just press on it, like the full beam headlights, and it will show you everything you need to know about that aspect of the car. Going back to the screen now, and we will see that this is everything that you need to know for your hands-free app.